and southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut, southern Middlesex, and southern New London. High wind warning in effect from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Connecticut, southern Middlesex, and southern New London counties. In New York, Suffolk County. When? From 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down several trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the tide information.
Wow. How about that?
High tide is at 5:37 p.m. Thursday and 5:53 a.m. Friday. Low tide is at 11:42 p.m. Thursday and 12:36